Guys, I just want to come and give you guys a quick sneak peek of how this wig look, because I promised to include it in the other video but I forgot. So today was the chance I actually had to put this wig on. So I want to show you guys how it looks. It looks a little bit big right now, like very big at the back, but that's because my head is bald. I have no hair on my head, so it look a little bit big, but I think if my hair start growing out, it will have be a little bit okay, but right now it feels a little bit big. But the front is well secured. What I did, I just used my hair mousse. That's what I use, and I just managed to lay the baby hair a little bit with some with some got to be spray. That's what I use, something simple. I love the curls, it's really beautiful. I really like it. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Like I said, you guys can see it's a little bit like big on that side, but so far so good. I really like it. I can't wait to style it more, to try different. Not to that kind of go with that side part. Maybe you can do like the full back wig thing, which is like really beautiful. I'm home now, so I went out, but I'm home, so I can like actually manipulate it a little bit. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I hope you all like this short videos, just me showing you guys of what the hair is looking like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all, and I will definitely see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien.